Thought I'd give you just a short preview of what we did here the last day or so. We got our cameras mounted. We got one with a suction cup mounted up on the inside. As you can see, the cord tucks up underneath in there. Got a nice mount on the monitor up here on the dash between the CB and the radio. Got that all tucked up underneath the wiring up in there. The other camera up there, we have two forward and two back. Get out and show you the back ones. Got the back ones mounted down here on the mirrors. They mounted pretty nice there. The other one's up on top up there in the inside facing forward. You can see the other one, can see the side of the truck really well. Has a very large wide angle view. Works really great for backing in on the blind side with that large screen. You go to the single picture, looks nice. That's all I got for now, guys. Thanks.